What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, guys. $5,315 in profits today. Today was a perfect day, not one single loser. So I'm going to show you everything step by step. Traded just like a robot today with the fibs. Today we're just in sync with everything, guys, and we're able to crush it. And I really want to take some time today. I want to go slow and I want to make sure that you guys understand this because there's so many people asking me questions and I'm going to break it all down for you step by step. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. So first and foremost, let's do some shout outs and then we'll get right into it. STK, Trading Wars Army, Alex, Wayne, Briggs, Corey, Vin, Greg, what's going on? Silver, Shannon, One Story a Day, Thomas, Chemist Nate, Alicia Jackson, Stock Hunt, Trading Wars Army, Dan, Jan, Andy, what's going on? Good to see you guys. All right. Listen, if there's one stream today that you want to take some notes on and focus on, this is the one. All right. So we're going to get right into this. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's draw the previous day's high and low. Okay. So I'm going to go in here and the high and the low. So now let's go ahead and let's just discuss how we got to this point. Okay. So remember yesterday we were trading our fibs and we had this 618. Okay. So let me just start off with that. So yesterday the trade we took, we went from low to high like this. Let me go ahead and put on the basic fibs. So we went long on the 618 right here. And remember, I told you guys that the futures market was trending upwards. So the future market was trending upwards and we held a little bit of this. So we gapped up this morning and you could see, guys, that this is a massive gap up. All right. So anytime we have a massive gap up, so let's talk about the psychology. So if you bought back here with me yesterday, how would you be feeling on Tuesday morning? How would you be feeling? Okay. You would be up so much money, right? You would be happy. You'll say, hey, you know what? I took a chance yesterday. I bought the fibs and I'm up so much money today, maybe 10, 15,000, whatever the amount is. And because of that, you will basically want to take some profits, right? Especially if the market starts going back down, you're going to want to take some profits, right? So this is why in the morning, we had this kind of sell-off into the gap fill, right? That's one of the concepts here that we have to understand. Anytime we have a gap, right, especially a big gap like this, we have to be aware that we may sell off a little bit because you have to understand the people that took the swing trade, the people that are in it from the night before, they're up so much money that they want to sell, as well as there's people that want to short in the market as well. So you combine both of those factors and that can lead to selling. All right, hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. Okay. So the first candle comes in here. We're on the 3-minute chart right here. All right. So I want to go ahead and analyze this candle. So what we did today, so this is the setups here. The first thing we did was an opening range breakout. So we have a big gap up. And then if we look at this candle, let's analyze this candle in detail. So this candle is a doji. And a doji is a candle that has wicks on both sides. So you can see we have a wick here, a wick here. So what that means, essentially, within the first 3 minutes, there was some buying pressure here and there was some selling pressure. It's a candle that's pretty much neutral. And what we like to see with this candle is once it breaks the low or the high, we think that that could lead to the next direction. Okay. So what we did here, first play of the day, I'm going to show you how to mark it up. You just put your high and your low like this, and whichever side breaks, that's the side you take. So you could see we entered into the short. So let me go ahead here in the Discord and I'll show you the live commentary this morning. So game plan orb fibs triggers. So you could see at 9:33 we went short. So right there on the first 3-minute candle. Okay. So first 3-minute candle comes in. We break down there. We're entered into the short. All right. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Hit me with a 5 if that makes sense. Okay. So that's the first play of the day, opening range breakout. All right. So for me personally, with this opening range breakout, I went in, I got in and out pretty quickly because I was already up a lot of money, right? So I didn't want to do anything crazy. Okay. But that first play was our opening range breakout. And then what I'm going to do from here now is we're going to continue to play the price action. Okay. So we're going to swap over to the 5-minute chart now. So right after the orb, we had our short. And then what do we do next? We look for the morning Fibonacci leg. So we waited here for the first leg of the day. So you could see that we had a push down, right? So we have our push down. So what we're trying to do now is we're going to take our Fibonacci from our high to our low, and we're just going to wait on that 618. The 618 is 61.8% pullback. All right. And what we're doing here is we're looking for a deal. We want to get this short leg here at a 62, basically a 62% discount. So we came right here, we made a new low. So all you do, you extend your anchor like this, and we just wait here for the 618. So we came back up. Look, we continue to go lower, right? So I'm showing you how we do this in real time. You just continue to move that anchor until we retrace. Here was our retrace, pop right back there, and we tagged our 618. All right, so we're going to stop here. So let me just go ahead to the Fibonacci room. Let me just show you that. So this was this was us drawing up the fibs, and then you could see right here at what time was the 618 right here. So 10:09, 618 filled short. So exactly what I have here. So let's pause right here for a second. Okay, we're gonna pause right here for a second. So we already had the opening range breakout short. That was a good winner. And now what we're trying to do now is use the morning leg fib. All right, so the morning leg fib right here in the book, this page right here, morning leg Fibonacci retracement, page 14. We saw that the market made a push low. It made a directional push to the downside first. And now we're trying to not chase. Okay, we don't want to buy the puts down here. We don't want to chase the puts because they're going to be too expensive. So we wait right here. And coincidentally, this 618 lined back up with the original opening range breakout price. All right, so we're going to stop here for a second. So how many of you would feel a little bit scared entering this trade? Hit me with a 9 if you would be scared. Hit me with a 10 if you're confident. Okay, because when you look at this chart right here, the Fibonacci is robotic. It's algorithm. It's trying to foresee the future. So it's showing you hidden support and resistance levels that you do not see on the chart. Because if you look at this candle, this is a big green candle, right? So it looks bullish, but we enter short here on the 618. We put a stop loss at the high of the day to protect us. And then there we go. We get that rejection right there. Okay. So if you're not confident with just taking the 618, you can wait for your rejection, wait for your candlestick pattern. So you can see right here, we had that, that inverted hammer, that little selling candle. And then from there, guys, we started to just drop. Okay. So watch this now. We drop all the way down into the gap fill right there. So this overall trade was 40 points. So 40 points, one contract is $2,000. And right here, the 373 puts went from 253 to 638, 152%, guys. So really, really, really nice. Okay, so that was our opening range breakout into our morning leg Fibonacci. All right, hit me with an 11 if you're following me there so far. So we haven't even gotten to the rest of the trades yet. We have more trades that we took. Okay. We have more trades that we took today. So those were the first two shorts. So that's what we call a combination. We're using an orb into a fib. That is how it looks on a perfect level. And then from there, we had our gap fill. Okay, so the next trade we had was our trigger. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the trigger. So we post our triggers every single night. And it's a level that we use to get long. So 367.58 was our trigger long. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw that. So this is completely automated. Okay. So I had this order just waiting. It was just sitting there, just waiting. Okay. I'm going to put this in green. And I just want to show you the P&L on that one. So check this out. So had the long trigger automated from last night, came back to see this $3,000. All right. On that pop. Okay. So from here, we came back down. So watch this green line. That's my long trigger. We tapped it right there. So we got filled right there. Okay. And here's another thing. Let's discuss this. You see so much selling. Look at all the selling in the morning, right? And this is where we covered the rest of our position because it's a gap fill, right? Whenever you fill gaps, you have to understand that those gaps can become support. But you see all of this selling right there. How many of you would be confident that the market can reverse? Be honest with me. Hit me with a 10 if you're confident, hey, the market can reverse, or hit me with 11 if you're not confident. And what I'm trying to show you here, guys, is the power of trading your system, trading your setups. Do not care about anything. I don't want you to care about anything but your system. Okay. If you trade the fibs, you trade the fibs. Okay. If you're trading your trigger, you trade your trigger. You trade it like a robot. It does not matter what's happening. That's my biggest point, because at this point, people are in panic mode, but we have our order. We know, okay, it's a good risk to reward here. You know, I'm going to risk a few $100, but my upside is $3,000. So here we go. From here, guys, boom. We even had this little inside bar confirmation, guys. So for those that are doing confirmation trading, so we call this candlestick confirmation, page 48. Anybody that's doing that, you can wait for the candles. You could see on the 618 here, we had the inverted hammer. On the trigger, we had the inside bar. Very clean. So today, I just don't understand. It's like today was just beautiful. So anyways, from here, guys, we got the 368 calls, 58% on those. And then that's not even it, guys. There was one more beautiful trade today. Let's go ahead and draw it up. We'll take the full afternoon leg from high to low. And I want you to focus there on that 618. Okay, came all the way back up. Tagged it. You see that tag right there, guys? And we had that little doji as well. And that was it. Okay, so even that last play right there, that last 618 was beautiful. And again, look at the confirmation inside bars. You see them right here? So you have the confirmation as well, guys. So overall, to summarize, absolutely perfect day. Opening range breakout, morning fib, trigger, afternoon fib. In total, guys, it was about 60 points on the plate, $3,000 per one contract. So you could see that I did a little bit bigger size. That's why I ended up with 5,000 bucks. All right, guys. All right. Hit me with an 8 if that makes sense. So that was just crazy. And guys, everything I'm teaching you right now has taken me years and years to learn. And I'm teaching it for you for free. And I've spent money on courses and I've spent money following people and I've lost a lot of money. So all I want you to do right now is hit me with a like. Because when I got destroyed when I first started trading, it changed me. It made me want to learn, but also to be able to give back. Because too many people in this market get scammed and get destroyed, okay? Because of biases, because of all these different things, and because of FOMO, because of fear. And we're going to conquer all of those things in this channel. So hit me with a like and a subscribe, guys, please. Thank you very much. All right. So there we go. So honestly, today is one of those. So yesterday we had 7,000, today 5,000. I mean, I don't even know what to say, but we just have to keep it going. So we're not going to get overconfident. We're going to continue to do what we need to do every single day and just take the same setups, play off of the fibs, and just continue to do what we're doing. Okay. Another quick mention right here for those that are trading small accounts. So my younger brother, you guys know him, TW Dairy. He has a Twitter as well where he posts his plays here with his fibs and his actual fills and his sells, and he's in the Discord as well. So if you want to follow this Twitter, please do. For the small account challenges, you can see how to grow a small account here step by step. Okay, we have everything laid out for everybody, guys. All right. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead here. We're going to look at futures. Okay, so the futures market right now is trending a little bit upwards. So we opened right here, we pulled back, and now we're kind of trending a little bit to the upside. So we'll see where this goes by tomorrow morning to see if we'll have a gap or not. And what else do I want to say? So Trendspider scans and interactive brokers. And all right. Okay. So guys, for futures trading, just hit me with a 6 real quick if you need more information on futures trading. Hit me with a 6 if you need more info. Okay. So right now, you guys know I'm partnered with Interactive Brokers. That's a broker I use for futures. So you can see all the fills and everything that we do. There's this in the description box. There's a link for Interactive Brokers for futures. And there's also a professional futures course part 1 that I did. So I want you to go ahead and please refresh yourself, watch that video, and also click on the Interactive Brokers link and read up a little bit. So the deal that I have with Interactive Brokers, I'm gonna be very honest with you guys, is they respect what the content I create. And literally, if you guys click on the link and just read up on it or learn something on it, that's how they support me. So you don't even need to create an account. All right. So please click on the link if you can. And because the reason why is that I need to show them that we have good engagement so that they can continue to support us. All right. And what I'm going to do is maybe on Sunday or sometime next week, I'm going to dedicate one full stream to going into Interactive Brokers on the trade station. And I'm going to show you guys about all the different futures. Okay. We're going to look at S&P 500, NASDAQ, coffee, natural gas, gold. We're going to look at all the futures on Interactive Brokers. All right. So go ahead and leave a comment if you're interested on that, if that sounds like a good idea. Okay. All right, guys. So there we go, guys. So what I'm going to do right now is this. Do you guys want a deal? Hit me with a 5 if you want a deal. The link is in the description. So whenever we have these perfect days, I want to give back. I want to give back because you know what? Some people need help, and I wasn't always in a good position when I first started trading. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to do a giveaway right now. So we're going to do a giveaway. What I'm going to do right now for the giveaway is I'm going to go to YouTube, and the video from yesterday did extremely well. If you guys have been following along, our subscribers are growing, our views are growing, everything is growing because we're the real deal. We're showing real trades, we're showing P&L, and we're teaching people real things that they can use in the market. All right. So right here on this video from yesterday, this one, I'm going to pick a winner from the comments. So I'm going to link this right now. Make sure you guys leave a comment right here. I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to leave a comment, and then I'm going to pick a giveaway winner. All right. So we're going to, in a few months, maybe next year, we're planning to share our screen live in the Discord as well as do voice. Right now, we just have text. The reason is because we trade a lot. It's very difficult. It's very difficult to do a lot of things at the same time. So I trade with a lot of size guys, and I'm getting better at being able to do my trades and do the live callouts and everything. But sometimes it's a little bit frustrating. So I plan on next year probably being able to share the screens live so you guys can watch us draw everything live together, and also you guys can see the brokers and everything. So that's coming in the future. All right. Okay, so go ahead here. So what I'm going to do right here, so I'm going to do a giveaway and I'm going to do a deal. Okay, because we've been so successful, this is what we're going to do right now. All right, anybody watching this video right now, okay, if you get any one of my 3 books, obviously the Fib book is great and the SPY book is great because SPY book talks about futures, which a lot of people have questions about. So if you get any one of the 3 books right now, guys, I'm going to go ahead and instead of getting 1 month for free, I'm going to do 2 months for free just for the next 24 hours. Just for the people watching this, anybody that is watching this right now, you have 24 hours to redeem this. Okay. And any day we have a perfect trading day, any day where we just go crazy, I want to encourage you guys to get the education, and I'm going to hook you up. So I'm going to do a giveaway and I'm going to do this. All right. So instead of 1 month, you're going to get 2 months for free if you get any one of the books, and 60 days, guys, it's a really, really good deal. All right. If you're already a member, if you get one of the books, you can get access to the stock room where we also do fibs. In the stock room, you can get 2 months in there. All right. So there we go, guys. So that's the deal. 24 hours. Lock it in if you want to. Let's go ahead and do a giveaway. All right. So let's go back to Trading Wars. So we have 68 comments. So I'm going to pull up the random number generator. Right here, 1 to 68, 3, 2, 1, 46. Oh boy, we gotta count a lot. So go all the way to the bottom. So I said what? 46. Okay, here we go. 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47. Did I say 46? 46 right here, this brother. McNuggets FUL. You are the winner, my brother. I don't know if you're on the stream, but congratulations. And go ahead and shoot me an email or a DM on Discord or Twitter, and we'll get you your book and your 1 month for free access in the room. All right, brother? Thank you so much, guys, for your support. I'm going to continue to give back like I always do. Always leave a comment. You never know when you have a chance to win. Let's keep it rolling, guys. Almost up 20K in 2 days. Can't really ask for more than that. So let's keep it rolling. And let's just, if we can finish this week with even more gains, this might be the greatest week we've ever had, because everything's just been printing, guys. It's just been crazy. All right. So let's focus on it and let's not put our foot off the gas, because it's a day trader's market. And as a day trader, you need to be able to capitalize when the opportunities are there. That's very important. That's something I focus on, because when the market starts to get choppy and it contracts, we won't be able to have these opportunities. Thank you very much for your time, my friends. Leave a comment, leave a like. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.